To plot the TGA curve, open the origin software and then take your TGA file which you received from your software and drag and drop it to the software. Open the software, remove the unwanted columns, we don't need any of them. Baseline weight also we don't require. So here we'll add one column which will be our weight percentage. So for that we'll press Ctrl D, we'll add single column, label it. So in the formula we are going to put the weight, the column B, multiply by 100 and divide by the initial sample weight. Press enter. So here we have weight percentage throughout. Now in the TGA the graph is between the weight percentage and the temperature. So the temperature is in the x-axis. So we'll convert it into x-axis. We'll click on both the columns using Control key and we'll plot it using a line graph. There you go. You can label it. Since my plot is between 800, I'll limit it to 800 and the weight percentage is maximum 100. There you go, TGA curve.